Arvind Kejriwal has made a big bold promise ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, where he has promised the women of Delhi that an allowance of 1,000 rupees every month would be given, saying that this amount will increase to 2,100 per month after the elections.
आज मैं दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए दो बड़ी घोषणाएं करने के लिए आया हूं और ये दोनों इतनी बड़ी घोषणाएं हैं और दोनों घोषणाएं दिल्ली की महिलाओं के लिए हैं, मेरी माताओं के लिए, बहनों के लिए। दोस्तों, मैंने वादा किया था कि हर महिला के अकाउंट में हर महीने 1,000 रुपए डलवाएंगे। आज मुझे ये ऐलान करते हुए बेहद फक्र हो रहा है कि आतिशी जी की अध्यक्षता में आज सुबह 10 बजे दिल्ली सरकार की कैबिनेट मीटिंग हुई और उस कैबिनेट मीटिंग में ये प्रस्ताव पारित कर दिया गया कि दिल्ली की हर महिला के अकाउंट में हर महीने 1,000 रुपए डाले जाएंगे। दोस्तों, इसके साथ ही ये योजना दिल्ली में लागू हो गई है। अब इस योजना के तहत महिलाओं को रजिस्ट्रेशन करना होगा और रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद जो जो महिलाएं रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगी उनके अकाउंट में 1,000 रुपए आने शुरू हो जाएंगे।
Well, Techi, it seems that the women voters here seem to be the target on part of the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal making that big poll promise ahead of the Delhi elections next year.
Well, absolutely. Arvind Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister of Delhi and the national convener, has made this particular big announcement that 1,000 rupees will be credited in the those women who are eligible to get this particular amount. And in fact, and he also in fact stated this particular fact that the amount will be credited in their accounts after the polls. So big announcement coming in just ahead of the Delhi Assembly polls. And in fact, this decision was taken in the crucial Delhi cabinet meeting, which was held today morning. And in fact, this particular announcement has been made. Now, also remember that this particular yojana for women that Arvind Kejriwal has announced earlier, also we have seen similar patterns of yojanas or similar kind of particular incentives or similar kind of amount that has been given to women voters, to woo women voters just ahead of the elections. We saw this kind of similar pattern in the state of Madhya Pradesh for Ladli Bahin Yojana. Then we saw in the state of Jharkhand Maiya Saman Yojana. Then we saw in the state of Madhya Pradesh just.
All right. Thank you very much, Techi, for that.